So this is a GE Cafe series dishwasher, and its lower spray arm is getting clogged up due to use after 5 or 6 years. So this is not a design which can be cleaned. So I have gotten a new spray arm, which is this, and today I'm going to replace this one. It's an easy job. There is a bolt, small bolt here. If you open it, this entire arm can be removed and then the new one can be installed. Let's see how it goes. So this is the socket which can be used. It's a 1/4 inch, this one. I'll just connect it to my ratchet screwdriver and then open that bolt which I just mentioned. And this is it. So this is what it looks like. This is the spray arm, and this thing I think needs to come out, and it will be inserted in the new spray arm. And in the meanwhile, I'll also clean that base. So let me do the rest of the work. So this is the new spray arm, and this is the old one. I think if we just rotate it like this, we should be able to remove it. Either in this direction or the other. I'm not sure. So, since it has not been used for or removed for many years, so I'm not sure how it will be getting off. Let's spray some lubricant in there so that the work becomes easy. Now the real challenge is going to be if I can open it without breaking it, because it has not been removed for like 6-7 years and has only been used. Let's spray a little bit more lubricant. So at least there is some movement in there. If I look in here, it seems like it is going to be rotated this way. And it's pretty stuck. I don't want to force it, otherwise it might get snapped. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Okay. Seems like, yes. So it's finally open. There's a lot of gunk in here, so that's why it was difficult. So I'll clean this part. So all of this will go on the new one. Let me first clean this and then I'll install it there. So this is what it is looking like now, and I'll show you after cleaning it. So this is what it looks like after cleaning. This will go on top like this, and then I will insert it on the other one. But before doing that, let me first check if all of the holes are open in this and it is spraying properly. So I'm going to put water in here and then try to see if all the spray nozzles are working. Yes, all are open except these two, so I need to clean these. So I'll check everything again, open, and then I'll put it back. So this is the old one. Just want to compare how is this one working. Okay, it is a little bit more clogged. I would say 30% more clogged than that one, but that is also not 100% open. And this is not brand new. I got it used from eBay. So just one or two which are blocked, I'll open those, and hopefully 100% of these will be open, and then I'll use. And to open these holes, I use this set of small wires. These are basically to use used in opening the carburetor jets. So I'll take the biggest one and use it like this. Very nice. Very nice. 100% open now. So now I'll put it back. Okay, so now all the cleaning has been done. Let's install it back. Locked, doing well. And this is that screw which will be used to install it back. Let's do that. So before installing it back, I thought maybe I'll just clean all of this with a toothbrush, because I'll not have access to all of this again unless I remove the spray arm. Yeah, so now it is clean. So all it is, this is a ridge which goes, this notch goes under this ridge, this one. So goes like this, and this is the screw which goes on top. That's it. Just finger tighten it. This is done. I'll remove this gunk by hand. And this is all done. Now I'll run the dishwasher when it has a complete load, and that should complete the job. Thanks for watching.